What's up guys, there was a time when a DSLR was the only way to go for professional photography, but the mirror system of DSLRs adds quite a bit of bulk to it, which is where mirrorless cameras comes in, also known as compact camera systems. Mirrorless cameras retain the big sensors and interchangeable lenses of a DSLR but drop the mirror to cut down on size and weight. In this video, I am going to show you the best mirrorless cameras that you must buy in 2020. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. Nikon's long-awaited Z7 needed to deliver an awful lot after all this time in the full-frame wilderness. Luckily for the company, did that and more. With a full-frame 45.7 megapixel sensor, a super 493-point autofocus system, a 3.2-inch 2100K dot touch sensitive screen and a stunning viewfinder, it is one of the best cameras on the market right now and certainly the best mirrorless model of the year. It looks and feels like a smaller DSLR, bringing with it some fantastic new benefits such as silent shooting and in-body image stabilization. What we like in this camera is its great handling, superb viewfinder and fantastic image quality. The disappointments are single XQD card only and limited battery life. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Panasonic S1R. After years extolling the virtues of the much small Micro Four Thirds systems, Panasonic has made the leap into full frame, joining the forces with Leica and Sigma to form the L-mount alliance. There are two models at the launch from Panasonic, the S1 and S1R, with the latter featuring a higher resolution sensor. For now, the system is fairly limited, with just 3 proprietary optics from Panasonic and a range of options from Leica and Sigma. Handling is great, with a large chunky body replete with dials and buttons. This is much bigger than other full-frame mirror systems like Nikon Z series or Sony's Alpha series. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing is likely dependent on your point of view. Buy this camera for its full frame sensor, excellent handling and 2 card slots provided. The disappointments are it is highly priced and it has got poor battery life. Canon USR. Nobody was surprised when Canon launched its own take on full frame mirrorless just weeks after the Nikon. The look and feel of the USR is classic Canon but adds a couple of new and useful twists such as customizable touch-sensitive multi-function bar just next to the viewfinder. The screen is not only touch-sensitive but also articulates for handy shooting from all sorts of strange angles. Image quality is also fantastic thanks to the full-frame 13.3 megapixel sensor which produces the good just like cameras such as the 5D Mark IV. Buy this camera for its great image quality, customizable controls and fully articulating screen. The disappointments are single SD card slot provided, cropped 4K video feature and there is no in-body image stabilization. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Sony A9 is the pro-level mirrorless camera in the real deal. Managing to turn the heads of even die-hard Nikon and Canon professional DSLR users, the Sony A9 leads the way when it comes to impressive technology. If you are into your sports, wildlife or action photography, being able to shoot at a full resolution of 20 fps all while tracking focus and what's more completely silently means you are able to capture those moments that your DSLR wielding buddies miss. Other specifications include a 24.2 megapixel full frame sensor, a viewfinder that manages to stay blackout free even while shooting at a super fast speed and a tilting touch-sensitive screen. The biggest drawback here is the price, but you don't get something seriously impressive for your cash. Buy this camera for its super fast shooting, blackout-free viewfinder. The disappointments with this camera is it is highly priced and has got poor battery life. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Nikon Z6. The Nikon Z7 may have a more impressive specification sheet, but for those looking for an all-round full-frame model that comes in at a lower price, the Z6 is the best mirrorless camera in the world right now. It features a lower resolution sensor than its more expensive sibling, but it means it actually performs slightly better in low light, plus it facilitates faster frame rates up to 12 fps. Otherwise, handling and build quality is exactly the same as the Z7 as both use identical body bodies. A downside for many is the single XQD card slot, but when a camera is this good, we can forgive it. Buy this camera for its good value for money package, great handling and good all-round performance. The disappointments are there is only a single XQD card slot given and it has got limited native lens range. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So these are our top 5 best mirrorless cameras that you must buy in 2020. If you have any other camera in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.